Dear students, today I am going to teach you question number 22 of SEE 2075 Province 3 CP. Okay, and this question number 22 is like this: two pillars of height 8 feet each, with four faces shown of the gate of a stadium, have one pyramid of height 4 feet each, having the same base of their tops. The base of each pillar is 6 feet by 6 feet. If the pillars with the pyramid are painted at the rate of rupees 75 per square feet, what will be the total cost? Okay, this is the question. Okay, we have got two pillars and both pillar has 6 feet by 6 feet. So base is square base. It means length and breadth equal, means square base pyramid. And then in the lower part of the pillar is prism with 8 feet height, and the upper part is the pyramid of height 4 feet. It is given. So let us draw one figure also. I will show you figure also so that it will be clear to you. Let's draw and then do. Okay. First of all, look at here. While making pyramid, we can make like this. In this way we can draw. See. First of all, one parallelogram type we will make like this. Now prism, this must see, this is the prism. Okay, it's like this. See, our pillar is like this, and over this at the top there is a pyramid. Let us make pyramid also. Pyramid of height 4 feet. 4 feet height. Okay, this is the pyramid. We can make pyramid also like this. Say, look at it. Now, what is the height of the pyramid? Pyramid is from here to here. 4 feet is the height of the pyramid. Up to here, this much height is 4 feet, and then this prism is of 8 feet height. Prism is of height of 8 feet. This is 4 feet, and then 6 feet. This is, see, this also 6 feet. This also 6 feet. Okay. Let us show up to here only. No need up down there. Let us rub this lower part. Okay, only up to here, this much. This also 6 feet, this also 6 feet. Look at here. So this is square base. This base and this base, they are equal. Okay, it is like this. Now let us find out. See, in the pyramid, first of all, okay, we have got height of the pyramid here. Height for pyramid, first of all, for pyramid. Look at here, height h is equals to 4 feet, and then its base, side of base, this is denoted by a, so it is 6 feet here. So now slant height we need to find out. So slant height is denoted by L is equals to root under h square plus a by 2 whole square. This is the formula to find slant height. Okay, so slant height means it is from here to here like this. See, this side, see, this slant height is, yeah, L denoted by L, and this L is equals to h square plus a by 2 whole square. So h here is 4 square plus a by 2 is 6 by 2 whole square root. So this is 16 plus 9 square root, which is 25. Square root 25 is 5 feet. 5 feet is the slant height of pyramid. Okay, we got slant height of pyramid. After getting slant height pyramid, now to find LSA of this lateral surface area of this pyramid, we need L and A. A also we got, L also we got. Means now we can find lateral surface area of this pyramid. Similarly, to find LSA of this prism, we need perimeter of base and then height we need. So perimeter of base now. Perimeter of base of prism we can write. That is denoted by PB equals to 4 times A. That is 4 times 6, 24 feet. This is perimeter of base of the pyramid, okay, prism, okay. Now, now TSA, total surface area, is equals to LSA of pyramid plus LSA of prism. Like this, see, LSA of pyramid plus LSA of prism. Now here you may add this one base area also, but we don't need to add, because while painting the pillar we will paint this lateral surface area, and this lateral surface area also we will paint, but this base will be on the ground, okay, on the ground, that will be hidden on the ground, so we will not paint this base, okay, so that no need to find the area base here. If it was the solid object, we have to paint the base also, but it is a pillar will be on the ground, so the base no need to paint, so no need to calculate the area of this base. So directly LSA of pyramid only we will calculate, LSA of pyramid and LSA of prism only. LSA pyramid is 2AL plus LSA prism is perimeter base times height. Okay, so now 2AL, 2 times A is 6 times L is 5, already we have calculated. See, A is 6 and L is 5, and similarly plus perimeter of base we have calculated here 24 times H. H is height of the prism. See, height of the prism is 8 feet, so 8. So this is 5 to the 10, 10 6 are 60 we can do, plus 8 4s are 20, 8 4s are 32, carry 3, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 3 is 19, 192 you will get. 192 plus 6, 2 as it is, 9 and 6 15, 205 2 is square feet, okay, square feet is the total surface area of what? One pyramid, one pillar, this one, okay. Now there are 2 pillars, so now total surface area of 2 pillars, now 2 pillars is equals to 2 times 252. This is equals to 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5. 504 square feet. Okay, this is the total surface area of 2 pillars, okay. Now we need to paint. We need to paint both the pillars, isn't so? So to paint both the pillars, we have given rate of painting is given. So now rate of painting, rate of painting the pillars, isn't so? Is equals to, this is denoted by R, is equals to rupees 75 per square feet. 75 per square feet it is given to us. Okay, rate of painting is 75 per square feet. So now total cost we need to find. Total cost of painting, T we are asked to find. Okay, so now we have again, we have T equals to R times A. Okay, R rate is 75 times area. Area, where is area? Area is, this is for one pillar, but we have to paint both the pillars, so 2 pillars is 504. 504. So let us multiply. Now if you multiply this one, 504 times 75 equals to, you will get 37 rupees, 37,800 you will get. Okay, hence the total cost of painting the two pillars is equals to rupees 37,800. Okay, thank you for watching this video.